quick
Yes.
rapid fire. ऐसा थोड़ा करण जोहर टाइप
Let's
feels है.
go.
This is me trying to fulfill my Bollywood fantasies.
क्या बात.
लाइफ कैसे चेंज होती है tangibly speaking, not in a way of कि I get messages, but tangibly अंदर से कुछ फर्क आता है.
I'd be lying if I said no, भाई. Although I want to say no.
Content creation I see, great. Storytelling see, great. I think you have bigger plans than this. I don't agree that YouTube channel is your goal. It is a medium to express, but what's beyond this? And whatever's beyond this, content creation उसका कितना हिस्सा है? But my other friends have not really been happy with the way I've been, giving them time. महीने में एक बार बात कर रहा हूँ.
अरे भाई यार ये तो क्या दिल की बात बोल दी है भाई.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes.
Hey guys, this is part 2 of the Paritosh episode of the CNTC show. अगर part 1 नहीं देखा तो यहाँ देख लो, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा पार्ट है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करी हैं. इट्स एन एक्सट्रीमली इंस्पायरिंग एपिसोड. बहुत रॉ एंड अनफिल्टर्ड तरीके से पारितोष के साथ बातें करेगी. आई होप यू लाइक दिस एंड इफ यू डू, लाइक कर दो फटाफट से, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, शेयर भी कर दो, कमेंट ऑन भी कर दो. और इस पॉडकास्ट को, जितने भी हमारे पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड्स हैं उनको तुमने बाइट साइज फैशन में कंज्यूम करना है तो CNTC क्लिप्स में छोटी क्लिप्स बना के पॉडकास्ट अपलोड होता है, आराम से कंज्यूम कर सकते हो, अपनी पेस पे कंज्यूम कर सकते हो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस एपिसोड. बहुत प्यारा है, पूरा दिखना. ओके, थैंक्स मैन, थैंक यू सो मच. थोड़ा लाइट करते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा हम खुश गए, मुझे लग रहा है ज़्यादा सीरियस हो गया. कैंसिल कल्चर का क्या सीन है यार, ये मुझे डर लगता है कभी कि मैं कुछ कमेंट करूँगा और दुनिया आएगी और कहेगी ये इसको कैंसिल कर दो.
भाई मैं तो साला, मैं अब ऐसी स्टेज पे आ चुका हूँ भाई, दैट जा जो बोलना है बोल, जो करना है कर. मेरे को जो पसंद मैं तो बोलेगा भाई. ब्रो, आई हैव नेवर बीन अफ्रेड ऑफ पुटिंग माई ओपिनियन आउट टू द वर्ल्ड, इवन इफ दैट I'll tell you, ठीक है, I'll tell you a story. Like this, एक तो बहनचोद हर चीज़ में साला मेरी कुछ ना कुछ कहानी अटैच्ड है ज़िंदगी में, ठीक है, इतनी जी ली है ज़िंदगी. चलो कोई बात नहीं. बट एनीवे ब्रो, recently I had this very, I won't name the creator. Recently I had, I had second opinions about this creator who was, creating stuff on the social media, different across platforms, and I had different views. Wasn't obviously hating on him, wasn't criticizing him either, पर मज़े लेने का मन हो रहा था मेरा थोड़ा. ठीक है, लॉकडाउन में बैठे थे, मेरा भी दिमाग ख़राब हो रहा है कि मेरे को ट्रैवल करने को नहीं मिल रहा है. मैं कहा थोड़ा मज़े लेता हूँ भाई, मैं भी ज़रा थोड़ा, मेरे को भी इधर करने का है. ठीक है, उंगली करने का मन हो गया था मेरे को, तो मैं मस्त भाई, ठीक है, 2-3 वीडियो में मस्त खिल्ली उड़ाया इस क्रिएटर का. एंड व्हेन आई केम टू मुंबई, थोड़ा मिलना जुलने का थोड़ा मेरे को हुआ कि भाई अभी तो ये सीन तो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अभी ये जहाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ वहाँ ये तो प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है, अब तो भाग तो तू सकता नहीं सिचुएशन से. तो भाई पता है लाइक दिस, आई एंटर्ड इनटू अ वेरी फनी सिचुएशन दिस ऑल टुगेदर, which made me realize that bro, all of this is really funny and it's all made up. Social media is nothing but a perceived reality for us.
Correct.
We believe in what we want to believe in the social media, not what is true. We hardly know what is the truth. The truth is buried. We don't know what is the truth. Which is pretty much why the cancel culture has come up as well. It's just because a few people believe that they're really woke, and a few people really believe that they want to put out their opinion without worrying about what their opinion really is. They don't give a rat's shit about what their opinion is. They just want to put their opinion out there, which has to be different than what is already out there. कुछ लोग हैं जिनको बस डिफरेंट बोलना है कि आयुष ने कुछ बोला, नहीं, मुझे बस अलग कुछ भी बोल देना है. आयुष ने बोला कि पर्सन ए सही था, नहीं, पर्सन बी सही था. और अगर पर्सन बी भी सही था ना, he won't stand in the defense of person B. He'll come and tell you how you are wrong in defending person A. That is the gist of what this cancel culture on the social media has become. People will come at you to prove how you are wrong. They will not come and tell you what is right. Which is why, मैं तो भाई, like, I feel very lucky to be at a spot where I am today, where I get to be my natural, true and raw self on the social media. I know for a fact कि हाँ भैया चलो ठीक है, I have a responsibility to cater to. If I fuck up here and there, if I pass one statement, it could pretty much land me in trouble. But I also know for a fact that as of now, I'm catering to a community which can back me up. I'm catering to a community which can back me up. मेरे पास जो for example, जैसे मेरे Discord की जनता है ना bro, that is by far, man, I haven't seen a community like that, bro. And I feel so lucky to be able to, not even just to be catering to that community. I feel so lucky to be a part of a community like this. Those people are hanging out in person. वो लोग मिल रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. एक बंदा श्रीलंका से दिल्ली आ रहा है उस गैंग से मिलने के लिए जो उसने इस लॉकडाउन में डिस्कॉर्ड में बनाई. हम लोग रोज रात को 50 लोग बैठ के साथ में काम करते हैं 11 से 2 बजे तक. That is the community that exactly, bro. That is the community that all of us we've built, and which is why I feel I'm in a very lucky spot, because I know that these people, they'll have my back no matter what, which gives me the freedom to be my own self as well. तो भाई मैं मुंह फाट एकदम. हाँ भाई, कौन आ रहा है बोलो.
मुझे ना something else is also coming in my mind, which is I see that because you're so natural and raw, that does give you an edge, because when you're not pretending, you don't have to hide any lies. But at the same time, that puts you in a spot where your personal life is in front of people.
You become
very vulnerable.
Oh yes, nice.
Correct. And when that happens, is it very difficult to switch off? And when you do switch off, do you feel like that pressure ki,
भाई पता है क्या, एक honestly चीज़ बताऊँ, till date I have not been able to figure out what switching off really is, which is something that harms me in my process a lot. This is something that I acknowledge and I'm putting it out there, that I have not been able to come to terms with what switching off or taking a break or establishing a difference between my professional and my personal life. What exactly is it? Because for the kind of life that I had, for the kind of persona that I've had up to date, whatever I have done has been very public. And it's only up till now that I've actually started having a personal life of my own. नहीं तो 2021 से पहले मेरी कोई personal life थी भी नहीं भाई. My life was legit just the social media. That was what all it was about. In the morning, I used to be all about the social media. At nights, I used to go play at pubs. So that has been, that was what my life has been all this while. It's only until 2021 where my life has taken a few turns, where I have started, realizing the importance of having a personal life to myself. Because now I know कि भाई यार ये वक्त तू इतना तो नहीं दे सकता अभी इस चीज़ को, थोड़ा तो तेरे को इधर देना पड़ेगा. This is why you're burning out, bro. This is why you enter into phases where you're not able to let those creative juices flow. This is why you struggle to find ideas, because you don't give your mind the space to rejuvenate. You don't give your mind the space to actually be in a position where it could recharge itself. वो space ही नहीं मिल रहा है, तो वो क्यों होगा? तेरा mind 24 घंटे काम कर रहा है, तो तब तो होगा ही नहीं ना भाई. तब तो there'll be a time where it'll run out of battery. वो भी Zoom का recorder ही तो है भाई, इसकी भी बैटरी जाएगी, लगाना तो पड़ेगा चार्ज पे. तो वो अभी रियलाइज हो रहा है. That's something that I struggle with till date, bro. That's something that I've not been able to establish till date. वो करने का यार, अपना बताओ ना मेरे को, कुछ दो एडवाइस.
यार so I feel you. I think for the longest time, because both of us have this one goal which is really far-fetched, अभी बहुत टाइम है वहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए. It's a goal which is too far. जैसे Casey Neistat बोलता है, जैसे you remind yourself with these numbers, I just remind myself कि this is me, this is my goal. All there is in between is hard work. Wow. So when you have that kind of mindset, you feel like अबे Sunday भी तो एक दिन है, and 24 hours, so much I can achieve, and so it becomes really hard to switch off. But I'll tell you what happens. I was reading Naval, and I've been following him religiously these days, and I realized that he explained my life in a sentence. The most creative ideas come when you're bored, because that's when you look for solutions. And I never related to this idea a lot. I thought मुझे एकदम बैठना पड़ेगा and I have to think. It works a lot of times, but to figure out new directions, to figure out new branches, you have to give yourself a very laid back time. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि resort में बैठ के तुम मस्त पियो. I'm just saying, just close your eyes and shut your laptop off. Just disconnect from the work. ज्ञान बांट दिया, मैं नहीं कर पाता. Real facts. मैं नहीं कर पाता. I don't know how to do it. Luckily my parents are really supportive, but I have not met a lot of people since the lockdown. I've only been meeting people who, like you, who motivate me, who are helping me progress in my journey forward. But my other friends have not really been happy with the way I've been, giving them time. महीने में एक बार बात कर रहा हूँ.
अरे भाई यार ये तो क्या दिल की बात बोल दी है भाई. क्या साला मेरे को तो भाई ब्रो मेरे को अच्छा अब I don't know if you'll be able to relate to this, but I often enter into situations where I avoid calls as well. I don't know for what reason. ठीक है, like I have entered into situations where I avoid calls because I know that this person is going, when I pick up, this person is legit just going to shout at me for 2 straight fucking minutes. कि तू मेरे शहर में था, तू मिलने नहीं आया, तू यहाँ था, तू ये नहीं करने आया, तेरे से 1 महीने से कॉल नहीं हुई है, 2 महीने से तूने कॉल पिकअप नहीं करा है, ये मैं हूँ भी हूँ कि नहीं हूँ जिंदगी में, ये वो भाई this is something I relate to, man, on a spiritual level.
I do, and I'll tell you what. So it is going to sound very selfish, but I know that very small portion of people who are going to relate with it are going to relate with it hard. When you are pursuing something like this, you crave a specific energy because तुम्हारी पूरे दिन energy down हो रही होती है. Work, audience, creation, thinking of ideas. So you crave a specific kind of energy which only people who are pursuing the same thing can give you. At least for me, I then take that energy from fellow entrepreneurs, fellow creators. My friends who do not understand the kind of work I do, a lot of times they are not able to give me that energy. And it's not like they're bad friends, they're really good friends, I love them. But the specific energy that I'm looking for, वो शायद नहीं मिल पाती मुझे उनसे. और उसकी वजह से मेरी एनर्जी और नीचे जाती है, जो मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता एट द स्टेज. सो वहाँ पे बहुत ट्रिकी हो जाता है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लाइक आई डोंट लाइक देम, बट आई जस्ट डोंट हैव द एनर्जी टू ड्रेन, I need somebody to give me energy, not take more of it away. So that perspective comes in, and I don't say it out loud and I don't say it out to people because it sounds really selfish, because only that fraction, that very small fraction can relate to it.
Very true.
So, but at the same time, when it comes to the team, when it comes to clients, when it comes to people I work with, I have to be constantly available because we are building right now, True. We are living on, you're living on the 55th floor, but you want to be at a stage where you have 10 buildings which have 60 floors, right? So that takes time, and still you have to be available to that kind of audience. So I think it's very tricky. I haven't been able to figure it out. ठीक है, बट चलता है अभी.
It's a stage, bro.
It's a stage.
ये वक्त के साथ ही सीखते हैं भाई ये चीज़ें.
For sure.
मैं तो ये बोल के बस भग लेता हूँ भाई. मैं दिस इज माई एस्केप. ठीक है भाई, टाइम है, टाइम के साथ सीख जाऊंगा भाई. टेंशन नहीं.
Exactly. I think absolutely being young helps. Although I don't get this concept of young, but absolutely being young helps. That for sure. Okay, so content creation I see great. Storytelling see great. I think you have bigger plans than this. I don't agree that YouTube channel is your goal. It is a medium to express, but what's beyond this? And whatever's beyond this, content creation उसका कितना हिस्सा है?
Content creation, bro, is helping me sharpen my axe. Abraham Lincoln was once asked that, I'm pretty sure you know of this analogy that, you're given 10 years to cut a tree. What will you do? I might be wrong when I quote him, but he said that I'll take 9 years to sharpen my axe. And then for that 1 year, that's something that I'll use to, cut that actual tree. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sharpening my axe. I've got time ahead of me, which is my leverage as of now. I'm pretty young, age-wise.
Correct.
I've got a few years to spare. I've got a few years to fuck up. I've got a few years to make mistakes. So this is what I'm doing right now. Saying yes to everything that's coming my way. लक्ष्मी आ रही है तो उसको मना नहीं कर रहे हम. हमने कहा क्या नहीं तो भैया चलो. Saying yes to every possible opportunity that is coming my way. Exploring every possible field that is coming my way. And making sure that I'm pressing my foot on every pedal to see which is coming to me with the most throttle, so that I can accelerate and get to my goal in the quickest possible way. So before I actually press on that throttle, I want to ensure that this is my pedal. So for now, it's this creation which is helping me get to those pedals. experiment with different pedals, you know. So for example, creation was what actually got me to speaking in the first place. Creation was what introduced me to the stage, which is something that I adore and respect till date, because I haven't found one place which makes me feel the most alive other than the stage. That is where I feel the most of myself. That is where I feel that I am able to be the best of myself. That is where I get to tell the stories. That is where I get to do what I'm doing right now in front of 5,000 and 10,000 people. तो वो चीज़, वो नशा अलग है मेरे भाई. वो उस चीज़ का नशा ही अलग है. वो जब तालियों की गूंज जब दिल तक पहुंचती है ना भाई, लगता है कि जी रहे हो तुम जिंदगी. वो and that is what I really want to chase. So as of now, exactly man, rush. As of now, the plan is to do a lot. The plan is to do a lot. But exactly. And to put it down in concrete terms, yes, you know, I don't really want myself to be called, you know, just someone who's creating content. There's, you know, the vision is obviously way bigger than that. And which is why I'm discovering different avenues as well, which is why I've been continuing with different avenues as well. You know, you talked about, you already know about Dream of the Defense. You know, I've been on the foots of expanding my company, We Smile Media as well. तो काफ़ी है bro, there's a lot. लड़की छोकरी और नौकरी हम छुपा के रखते हैं अपनी, पर yes, ये धीरे धीरे करके all of these, they're making the real picture and coming out. So because I really want them to as well, you know, as in when I'm, you know, I really want to ensure कि अगर लोग मेरा struggle देख रहे हैं तो people see that people see the outcome of those struggles as well. You know, if I've built a business from the absolute bottom, I want people to see the process of it, and I want people to see that, okay, yes, this is what Paritosh has built. You know, if, you know, this is what I've been doing with Dream of the Defense. This is what I've been doing with We Smile Media with all the hype as well. This is what I've been doing with the book that I've been talking about for the past 2 years as well. I want people to know of the process so that when they see the outcome, they feel it कि भाई उधर से शुरू किया था भाई इसने, जब साला इसको पता भी नहीं था कि डोमेन कैसे खरीदते हैं, और आज देख इसने क्या कर दिया भाई. तो ये जर्नी दिखाने का है ब्रो.
They'll feel connected to the stories, you know. Why I was so strongly convinced that you're going to branch out of content creation was, of course, Dream of the Defense, you know, We Smile Media, the book that you mentioned in the article. But just more than that, you don't focus on an outward inward approach. It's always the opposite. You, like, it's not that कि अच्छा कि 10 trend चल रहे हैं, 10 trend पे वीडियो बनाया हो गया. It's never that. It's rarely that. It's always you telling genuine stories, which leads to a community formation, which can then turn to a lot of different things. Entrepreneurial perspective से अगर देखें तो.
Absolutely, yes.
So I crave that.
Yes.
I see it and I'm like, amazing. This is what every content creator should be doing. This is what in fact, anybody who's watching this, who wants to be a content creator, I genuinely feel this community.
Absolutely. Bro, I don't want to be a guy with 1 million subscribers who would have only 10,000 people who will stand with him no matter what. I'd rather be the guy with 100k subscribers who would have his regular 30-50,000 people who know for a fact कि भाई ये जहाँ खड़ा है हम वहाँ हैं इसके साथ, बस तू जो भी कर, तेरे को सिनेमैटिक व्लॉग्स बनाने तू वो दे, तेरे को मम्मी के साथ व्लॉग बनाने तू वो दे, मुझे बस तेरे साथ खड़े होना है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सी वट एवर यू पुट आउट, बस. दैट इज वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू, वो है ब्रो, दैट इज द कम्युनिटी दैट आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट. दैट वेर एवर आई गो इन दिस कंट्री, मेरे को मेरे भाई और मेरे बहन मिले. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मीट फैंस अराउंड द कंट्री, इवन विच is the actual case as well. Like even when I meet people, you know, people from my own community, they don't come to me for pictures. They come to me with a sole intention of having conversations, which is something that I love. Paritosh भैया कैसे हो? कोई नहीं पूछता है bro. Like me, for myself, whenever I see a celebrity, my first instinct action is to go and take my fucking camera out and click a picture. Because I know that they're busy and I know that they're going to drift away and they've got a life of their own. Correct. But me, or this creator that I want to be, I want that creator to break that barrier where people feel comfortable coming and having that conversation before clicking that picture. Of course, they will click that picture as well because they admire you. But before that, they've got this something that they're giving a priority because they know कि यार फोटो तो मिल ही जाएगी, पर इस बंदे से मैं बात भी तो कर सकता हूँ. बात करके देखते हैं यार.
Wow.
ये करना है भाई, build.
यार, this thing really I wonder this a lot of times. You have a following of 1.5 to 2 lakhs, like a combined following of about 2 lakhs. Life कैसे change होती है? Tangibly speaking, not in a way of कि I get messages, but tangibly अंदर से कुछ फर्क आता है?
I'd be lying if I said no, bhai. Although I want to say no. I want to be in a position where I can say no. कि नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. पर फ़र्क तो पड़ता है यार. नज़रिया बदल जाता है चीज़ों को देखने का. Earlier I'd see a sunset and I'll be like कि क्या प्यारा sunset है. Now I'm seeing a sunset and I'm like कि भाई लोगों को कितना अच्छा लगेगा मैं दिखाऊंगा तो. It's just this constant feeling of me wanting to cater to this responsibility that I now have. People trust me with their time. They're trusting me with 10 minutes of their day. And 10 minutes is a lot for me because I know the value of time. I know that 10 minutes can do a lot for me. So if I put myself in that picture, if I'm giving someone my 10 minutes, I know for a fact that I want to take something out of those 10 minutes. So if someone is investing those 10 minutes of their life into something that I am creating, then भाई वापस में कुछ तो देने का है. वो responsibility है. That responsibility can come to you as a pressure, but to me, I try to take this as a responsibility and be like, हाँ चलो ठीक है, ले जाते हैं इसको. But वही है, responsibility तो है ना in the first place. तो बदल देती है मेरे भाई चीज़ों को. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो बदल देती है. नज़रिया बदल देती है. Your perspective changes. And that little shift, it lies in almost every spectrum of your life. The way you see things, the way you perceive relationships, as your family grows, as your audience span grows, you know for a fact that you'll have to put in more work as well. That is where the gap between your professional and your personal life, if it increases, that is where it might get a little lonely for a few people as well. Especially for us, like people like us who find it a little difficult to maintain and carry those conversations forward. Correct. It becomes a little difficult. All of it is a process that we have to take up. But yes, yaar, badalta to hai mere bhai.
Pretty cool. And what about the exact opposite of the spectrum? Ego ka kya, like, do you think that I've seen people when they reach a stage, they take offense quickly, easily, like, and okay, very small thing. So I haven't reached a stage where I have a lot of following, but I remember I'd hit 10K and I was like, game badal diya, Vadva tune game badal diya, abhi tu hi to hai creator. I had that moment of ego bolo, sense of self bolo for 5 minutes, broke down. After the 6th minute pe breakdown hogi, somebody wrote, I think ye jhatu kya bana raha hai, something like this, some comment I got on and I got so offended. फन फैक्ट, अगर वो 1 महीने पहले आया था कमेंट जब मेरे 9000 फॉलोअर्स थे, आई वुडंट हैव केयर्ड. आई वाज लाइक क्या अभी बहुत काम है यार अभी, मतलब अभी. सो उस दिन मैंने पहली बात तो आई स्टॉप ट्रेडिंग कंटेंट फॉर अ मंथ. आई 1 महीने का गैप है मेरी प्रोफाइल पे. तो वैसे भी काम भी चल रहा था. मैंने कहा यार ये नहीं हो पाएगा, आई कांट टेक दिस. सो आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि भाई क्या सीन है, कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा है तूने. तो ये वाला एरिया को कैसे करें यार, ये कंट्रोल बहुत मुश्किल है. मतलब अभी तो 20-30 हज़ार पे जैसे में, बट अगर हम बढ़ते हैं, तुम जाओगे 10 मिलियन तक, 20 मिलियन तक, तो क्या सीन है, वो कैसे करेंगे ठीक तब?
भाई पता क्या, मैं एक चीज़ बताऊँ. ईगो फॉर मी इज़ नथिंग बट अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ knowing what your self-worth really is. You realize that you're worth this. You realize कि मैं यहाँ हूँ, मुझे यहाँ होना चाहिए और मैं यहाँ अब पहुँच चुका हूँ. When that gives you a sense of accomplishment, you can either let it sit as confidence, which makes you want to believe in yourself even more, or you can let it sit as ego. Confidence क्या होता है bro? Confidence is I am the best, but y'all are the best too. I am not better than you. I am just saying that I am the best. That is confidence. But ego is कि मैं ही best हूँ. That is what ego is. कि मैं ही best हूँ. And quite honestly, पता है, if we walk into this field, we're walking into a full-fledged battleground. We have our ammo, right? We have our ammo. We have our guns. How can we only expect people to throw roses at us? If it's a battle, then there are people on the other side waiting with their guns as well, with their loaded guns. They'll shoot at you, man. Which is why you need to have an armor. And that armor here is a thick skin. We need to learn how to take a joke, bro. especially on the social media today, you need to know how to take a joke. जो ये आजकल ये woke audience आ गई है ना कि चल ना बे, चल इधर जा उधर जा, ये कर ले वो कर ले. You need to learn how to take a joke, because for these people, they just want to get attention. They might as well even go down the road of hating you for getting your attention. ये देखा होगा, लाइक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू वुड हैव हैड दिस इंस्टेंस योरसेल्फ एज वेल कि इंस्टाग्राम लाइव जा रहे हो, इधर उधर आ रहा है कि चल बे लौड़े, क्या दिमाग खराब कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है वो कर रहा है. फिर उसको जैसे ही उसका नाम ले लिया, फिर वो अरे भाई आयुष भाई बिग फैन भाई, अरे आयुष भाई मिल गया, ये हो गया भाई. सो दे जस्ट वांट दैट 5 सेकंड ऑफ अटेंशन. ये सब क्या है भाई. तो ये
I think I had a brief period where these things really affected me, उस रेंज के आसपास. ऑल्सो बिकॉज आई थिंक पर्सनल लाइफ भी अगर थोड़ी सी देयर इज टर्बुलेंस इन वन प्लेस, अगर एक जगह एंकर हो ना तो बाकी सब चीज़ें सेटल हो जाती हैं. तो आई थिंक वो भी चल रहा था, तो आई टुक अ लॉट ऑफ, बट देन आई रियलाइज कि इट इज़ यूजलेस. इट इज़
इसका नहीं है भाई. देयर इज नो एंड टू ऑल ऑफ दिस. बिकॉज स्पेशली भाई अब पता है यार, हमारा एक तो साला दिक्कत भी है ना कि बचपन से ही हमें we've been taught to measure growth with numbers bro. मार्क्स अच्छा ठीक है, एकेडमिकली अपने आप को मेजर करना है, मार्क्स अच्छे ला. स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है, ए ग्रेड ला के दिखा. म्यूजिक में अच्छा है, ए ग्रेड ला के दिखा. सोशल मीडिया में अच्छा बनना है, फॉलोअर ज़्यादा ला. हमारी जिंदगी नंबर्स का खेल बन चुकी है मेरे भाई. तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी फॉर अस टू एंटर इनटू दैट राइटिशनेस वाला स्टेज वेयर वी गो लाइक कि भाई ये देख, ये हमने कमा लिया. करेक्ट, ये हो जाता है. बट वही, this is the difference that we need to establish in our heads. I am the best. Only I am the best. That is the difference. A very thin line of difference, but it creates a massive impact.
confidence or arrogance, very very thin line.
Very thin line of difference.
Let's summarize this for the audience. So I think what this is it's a difference between a zero sum game and a positive sum game. Positive sum game, everybody wins. You win, I win. Zero sum game is if I win, that means I've taken that win from you. So I think what we can say is कि अगर confidence is a positive sum game, both of us can be positive, both of us can win, both of us can be wealthy, both of us can be successful. Zero sum game is what status game is कि अगर मैं जीत गया तो तू हारा, मतलब तू हारा, like accept it now, which is what people, I think, which is exactly what you said कि मैं ही बेस्ट हूँ, तुम बेस्ट नहीं.
You don't need, when you really want to take a stand for yourself, you don't have to point fingers at other people. Correct. You don't have to come and tell me that तू अच्छा नहीं है. You just have to come and tell me about yourself कि मैं अच्छा हूँ. बस. I don't care about what other people are. I don't care about who they are. I care about you. Are you good? Yes.
Perfect. That brings us to the end of the podcast. But before we go, quick rapid fire. ऐसा थोड़ा करण जोहर टाइप फील्स है. दिस इज मी ट्राइंग टू फुलफिल माई बॉलीवुड फैंटेसीज.
क्या बात.
क्विकली. अच्छा देख पारितोष, एकदम रॉ रियल क्विक आंसर्स, ठीक है.
डन ब्रो.
कंट्रोवर्सी चाहिए बेसिकली.
चलो ठीक है, डन. You'll get the views.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yes sir.
Go. Name one creator that inspires you.
John Mayer.
One that irritates you.
Shivam Bapat.
Perfect.
That's the safest possible name I could take right now.
Guilty pleasure क्या है शिवम? सॉरी शिवम कह रहा हूँ यार, पारितोष का.
Guilty pleasure क्या है मेरा? Saturday रात को अपने आप को ट्रीट करना, बढ़िया सा खाना which I've been longing to eat the entire week, और बैठ के कोई मस्त सा शो देखना.
बटर चिकन.
अरे भाई हेलो, पूरा मेन्यू हिट ले लो मेरे से भाई. तो
Okay. The thing that you hate about content creation, सबसे ज़्यादा hate क्या करते हो, and the thing that you love about it.
The thing that I hate the most is that people feel that they're accountable. Creators feel that they're accountable. कि मुझे ये करना होगा. You don't need to feel that pressure. And the thing that I love the most is communities, man. जो परिवार बन जाता है एकदम.
I agree. I definitely agree. Favorite books 3.
Favorite books, ठीक है. Number 1 has to be Kevin Hart's autobiography. I cannot make this up. That is number 1. Number 2 is the book that I'm reading right now, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And number 3 is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. Beautiful book.
Third वाला तो ज़रूर चाहिए creators को. Very much needed. अगर सिर्फ एक moment बताऊँ, I know you've said this, but एक moment that changed your life.
22nd July 2017.
Perfect. And a movie that changed your life.
Tamasha.
So now I know why you, me, Shivam are vibing. वी नो नाउ. अभी शिवम के साथ जो डेढ़ पॉडकास्ट 15 मिनट तमाशा की बात चल रही है. एक लाइफ मंत्रा
क्या बात.
भाई, अगर मैं सुबह उठूं और मुझे एक चीज बोलनी है अपने आप को, व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग?
It's true if you believe.
इट्स ट्रू इफ यू बिलीव. मैनिफेस्टेशन. अच्छा, एक इंटरनेट कॉन्स्पिरेसी क्रिएट करनी है पारितोष ने कल सुबह उठ के. कौन कौन क्रिएटर जा रहे हैं नीचे, या फिर क्या क्रिएट हो रहा है, क्या बज़ क्या क्रिएट हो रहा है? शिवम का नाम लेना अलाउड नहीं है इसमें.
हाँ, अरे यार. हाँ. Paritosh doing a boxing match with Vishnu Kaushal.
ओहो.
Rivalry. Yes.
मतलब
Getting a lot of clout.
हेल्दी राइवलरी और लाइक मतलब
No healthy. Full controversy. एकदम.
सुपर.
मेरे को मेरे दिवाली का गिफ्ट नहीं मिला है विष्णु. मेरे दिवाली का गिफ्ट नहीं मिला है मेरे को. हाँ.
भाई वो विष्णु, आई लव हिम यार, आई अडोर हिम. एक आखिरी एक प्यारे से क्वेश्चन से पॉडकास्ट को एंड करते हैं. बहुत क्रिएटर्स सुनते हैं पॉडकास्ट. एक 2 लाइनों में मोटिवेट कर दे यार, मतलब नए क्रिएटर्स को, नए लोगों को. कॉलेज में जो एक वो बच्चा बैठा है हु इज फीलिंग की नहीं हो पा रहा.
भाई पता है क्या आयुष भाई, लाइक फ्रॉम दिस पॉडकास्ट आई एम टेकिंग अवे वन लाइन दैट यू सेड. I am going to remember this for the rest of my life. You know, a few lines, they stick with you somehow. And you said this, that this is where you are and this is your goal. And the only thing that's connecting these two dots is hard work. Which is pretty much that condenses everything that you do in life, man. Seriously, bhai. कुछ भी हो यार, कुछ भी जिंदगी में कुछ भी कर रहे हो, the only thing that can outwork, the only thing that can take you ahead in life is work. Excuses will only make us sit and proceed nowhere. It's work that will get us at least somewhere. And the singular most important piece of advice that I'll have for everyone out there right now, it would be stop thinking and start doing. We spend days thinking. We spend so many days thinking about what our lives can turn out to be, how this decision can turn out to be, how the choice that we would take would turn out to be, without actually even taking that choice. We think about the circumstances to situations which have not even happened. We live our lives in the future. We live our lives anticipating the future, and we live our lives regretting the past. We let go of what we have, the present. The present is what actually defines your destiny. You take the right choices right now, that shapes your future. You learn from your past, you're already making the right choices. That is the continuous cycle that you're supposed to be following. So simple मेरे भाई, सोचना बंद करो.
वाओ भाई, इतना मज़ा आया ना यार, मतलब ओहो, आई जेन्युइनली एंजॉयड दिस. मैं मजाक भी नहीं कर रहा, नॉट मी. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू क्लोज दिस पॉडकास्ट नाउ बिकॉज मेरा मन कर और बात करूं, क्योंकि इतना मज़ा आया यार. थैंक यू, like genuinely thank you so much for doing this, and for everybody who has listened to the podcast till now. पता नहीं कितने लोग हैं, but जिन्होंने भी सुना है, thank you so much for joining in. Please follow Paritosh, although I know they already follow you, they already support you, but please go follow him and support this guy even more. It was crazy having you on the podcast.